Hey there, welcome to my channel and I'm back with my new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you could use Python in your phone offline and anywhere. So if you got any helpful information from this video, then like and subscribe the channel. So let's get started. So first you have to go in the Play Store. And here in the search box type QPython. Here as you can see, only type QPY, then it also automatically here QPython for Android. So tap on it and it's absolutely offline. As you can see, the rating is 4.3. that is very good rating here. And as you can see here, screenshots of this app. So let's install it. As is installing, I will say that if you have any problem or if you want any video in technology topic, you can write the demanding video in the comment. And I have created my Facebook page, and you can go there and like my page. So guys, the installing still 36% have done, and I will say that forgive me if I have done any mistake in this video because it's my beginning time. So I'm sorry very much for that. So installing, wait it out. Okay guys, you have done. So let's open and see how it's look. As you can see, here is QPython. This is the signing option. This is terminal. This is editor. This is terminal, and this is editor. As you can see, it's totally is Python, and I can show you it's totally offline. First we're gonna test it online, and then after I will show you it's totally offline. As you can see here, first you have to name it Wi-Fi. So I means Python. So go save it, and let's run by this triangular arrow here, triangular object. Just tap on it, and here as you can see it's running very smoothly. Hello world. So let's try it offline. Let me turn off my Wi-Fi and switch off it, and again open QPython and then editor. As you can see here, let me rewrite it. So as you can see here, my Wi-Fi is disconnected, and again I'm going to show you that it's offline. Run. Aha, as you can see here, it's totally running smoothly, no connection here. So let's back, and as you can see, you can change its themes, color themes, negative, matrix, sky, Dracula. So I'm going to show you in matrix. As you can see, theme has been changed. So let's back in the home button, and thank you guys for watching my video, and hit a like button in this video if you got any information in this video, and subscribe to my channel for the future technical videos. And guys, again I will say that if I have done any mistake in this video, so forgive me. Thank you very much. See you again.